Welcome to Book Thirst. Today, we're diving into Let's Talk Money by Monika Halan, a practical guide to making your money work harder for you. Packed with actionable strategies, this book demystifies personal finance and shows how to build wealth responsibly. Let's break down key takeaways. Section 1. Foundations of Financial Security. Personal finance is a life skill, not just a subject for experts. Start with basic money management before exploring investments. Build a financial plan based on your current income, expenses, and goals. Keep your money management system simple and easy to follow. Save first, then spend, not the other way around. Allocate at least 20% of your income to savings. Use a separate account for emergency funds. Automate your savings to ensure consistency. Track your expenses regularly to identify spending patterns. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income increases. Section 2. The importance of financial safety nets. Have at least 6 months of living expenses in your emergency fund. Medical emergencies are unpredictable. Buy adequate health insurance. Ensure your health insurance covers hospitalization and critical illnesses. Term insurance is the most cost-effective life insurance. Avoid combining insurance with investment products. Don't rely solely on employer-provided insurance. Create a will to protect your family from legal complications. Nominate beneficiaries for all your financial accounts. Maintain a clear record of all financial assets. Use an online tool or notebook to document important financial information. Section 3. Budgeting and debt management. Make a realistic budget that reflects your actual expenses. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Allocate at least 50% of income to necessities, 30% to desires, and 20% to savings. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit cards. Avoid taking loans for depreciating assets. Use credit cards responsibly to build a good credit score. Refinance loans if better interest rates are available. Understand the total cost of borrowing before taking loans. Minimize your exposure to consumer debt. Never borrow for luxury expenses. Section 4. Smart investing basics. Know the difference between saving and investing. Inflation erodes the value of savings. Investing helps grow your money. Diversify your investments to reduce risk. Start investing as early as possible to leverage compounding. Understand your risk tolerance before selecting investments. Create a mix of debt and equity investments for balance. Index funds are low-cost, effective tools for equity investment. Avoid chasing quick returns. Invest with a long-term perspective. Don't put all your money into real estate or gold. Mutual funds offer a simplified way to invest in the stock market. Section 5. Common money mistakes to avoid. Avoid speculative investments without research. Don't mix emotions with investment decisions. Beware of financial products with hidden fees. Avoid frequent buying and selling of investments, it increases costs. Stay away from schemes that promise unrealistic returns. Never invest in something you don't understand. Keep your financial goals realistic. Avoid ignoring taxes when calculating returns. Beware of taking on too many loans. Don't rely on others to manage your money without understanding the process. Section 6. Building wealth with disciplined investing. Stick to a systematic investment plan, SIP, for mutual funds. Rebalance your portfolio periodically. Align your investment strategy with your life goals. Avoid over-diversifying. It can dilute returns. Use goal-based investing to focus your financial efforts. Don't time the market, invest consistently instead. Understand the power of compounding and patience. Review your financial plan annually. Use tax-saving investments, but focus on overall returns. Reinvest dividends and gains for greater long-term growth. Section 7. Financial literacy and personal growth. Educate yourself about basic financial terms and principles. Read financial news and books to stay informed. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Avoid comparing your financial progress with others. Seek professional advice when necessary. Don't be afraid to ask questions about financial products. Surround yourself with financially savvy people. Develop a long-term financial mindset. Be adaptable to changes in the financial landscape. Practice delayed gratification for bigger rewards. Section 8. Retirement and future planning. Plan for retirement as soon as you start earning. Use retirement-specific investment vehicles. Calculate the future value of money to estimate retirement needs. Consider inflation when planning for retirement expenses. Diversify retirement savings across different asset classes. Avoid withdrawing from retirement accounts early. Estimate healthcare costs in retirement. Create passive income streams for later years. Maintain a balance between risk and security as you age. Review retirement plans as your circumstances change. Section 9. Psychological aspects of money. Understand your financial triggers and habits. Avoid emotional spending driven by stress. Develop a minimalist approach to consumption. Focus on needs over wants. Recognize that financial discipline builds over time. Cultivate gratitude for what you have. Avoid using money as a measure of self-worth. Learn from financial failures. Practice conscious consumerism. Align spending with your values. Section 10. Final wisdom. Financial freedom comes from planning, discipline, and education. Set clear and measurable financial goals. Understand the tax implications of all investments. Learn to negotiate better terms for loans and contracts. Keep upgrading your earning potential through new skills. Practice patience. Wealth creation takes time. Be consistent with good money habits. Invest in experiences as well as financial products. Share financial knowledge with family and friends. Finally, remember that money is a tool, not an end in itself. Conclusion, and that's a wrap. These insights from Let's Talk Money will help you build a strong financial future. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips to master your money.